Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen, where I do family friendly recipes that everyone can enjoy. So this one is for crispy Korean style chicken wings. Sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first of all, we take 800 grams of chicken wings. I've just got drumettes and wings here. We'll put them dry on both sides. Just make sure they are very dry. This is for whenever we're putting the flour on them. So now that our wings are dried off, we're just going to pop them into a bowl. And on top of that there, we're going to add a quarter cup of corn flour that has been mixed with 1 teaspoonful of baking powder. Now make sure all of the chicken wings are covered in this. This will help whenever you're putting them in the oven to help them to crisp up. So now that they're all covered in flour, we'll just set them to the side. And then we'll bring in a baking tray that has been lined with tin foil, and we've just set a wire rack on top of it. The wire rack helps for the air to circulate around. This just helps whenever the wings get crispy. Now folks, if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification for other videos. So we'll just spread them all around. Just make sure that there's a bit of room between them for the air to circulate. Now we'll go over to a preheated oven. It's been 220 degrees, so it is fairly hot. We're going to pop these in and we'll let them cook for about 40 minutes. Now while our chicken's cooking, we're going to make our Korean sauce. So we take 1 tablespoon of Gochujang sauce, chili sauce. To that then we're going to add 1 tablespoonful of soy sauce, a teaspoonful of sugar, and a tablespoonful of water. Just give that a quick mix around, and then we'll set that to the side till about 5 minutes before the chicken wings are ready. Now once our chicken wings are near ready, we're going to go over to our cooker, over to the frying pan. We're going to add the sauce to the pan. Then to that we're going to add a quarter cup of water. We'll give that a stir around and we'll just bring that up to heat. Now that our chicken wings are cooked and our sauce is boiling, we're just going to take our wings out of the oven and we're going to add them to the sauce. Just pour all our crispy wings in. We'll give them a quick stir around. We'll let them cook for 3 to 4 minutes just until they're all covered with the sauce and they've taken on the flavour from the sauce. Now that the sauce is boiling and they've taken on the flavour, we're going to sprinkle some sesame seeds over the top. Again, give them a quick stir around. And now our Gochujang Korean style chicken wings are ready to serve. Just take them from the pan, we'll pop them into a serving dish, and then we're going to sprinkle some spring onions over the top. Now folks, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, again, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in my further videos.